These Bose in-ceiling speakers are too good, it's kinda suspicious. Virtually invisible 791-2. You ever feel like your ceiling's low-key mocking your speaker setup? You fire up your playlist, and instead of rich, immersive audio, you're treated to a flat mess of muffled vocals and off-brand bass. You've got style, but your sound system's stuck in 2006. It's a daily struggle, cluttered shelves, tangled wires, and that one speaker that only works if you stand on one foot and whisper sweet nothings. You deserve better. You want music that fills the room, not limps into it like it forgot its password. If you're frustrated, overwhelmed, and just done with lackluster audio, it's time to break up with your gear. And the longer you wait, the louder the silence gets. You're constantly fiddling with the EQ, chasing sweet spots that don't exist. You try cranking the volume, but suddenly your walls vibrate while the vocals vanish into a void. Meanwhile, your stress levels spike, your music sounds like it's underwater, and guests politely pretend they don't notice your almost good setup. Missed moments pile up, birthday bangers that fell flat, movie nights without goosebumps, and your partner side-eyeing your premium system with quiet judgment. It's more than just tech trouble, it's a creativity killer, a mood destroyer, and let's be honest, a whole vibe emergency. Enter the Bose Virtually Invisible 791-2, your audio redemption arc. This isn't just a speaker, it's your ceiling's glow-up. Engineered with one precision-tuned 7-inch woofer and two strategically placed 1-inch tweeters, this bad boy delivers rich, balanced stereo everywhere. No drop-offs. No aiming. Just clean, full-bodied sound that hits like a private concert. The ultra-sleek, bezel-less design blends right into your ceiling, so it vanishes from sight but dominates with sound. Bose's exclusive stereo everywhere tech ensures no corner gets left behind. It's like your living room got an audio halo. This speaker doesn't just fill the room, it owns it. Silently. Powerfully. Effortlessly. Here's why the 791-2 isn't just good, it's genius. Installation? Easy. The standard dogleg clamps are basically plug-and-play for your ceiling. The magnetic grill? Snaps on with a satisfying click, ready to be painted to match your aesthetic, no cloth scrim equals no mess. It's clean, powerful, and built for the perfectionist who's done settling for just okay. Whether you're vibing to lo-fi, gaming like a boss, or binging entire Netflix seasons, the audio stays rich and spacious, without the bulky gear. Want sharper focus, smoother ambience, and way more compliments? Scroll down and hit that link. Your ears, your guests, your whole house will notice. Don't sleep on this, literally thousands already upgraded. Bose doesn't play around when it comes to quality, and these in-ceiling speakers are flying off shelves. Reviews are pouring in, jaw-dropping sound, looks invisible, sounds insane, total game changer. This is premium audio with zero visual clutter. No stands. No tangles. No regrets. If you've been on the fence, this is your sign. Don't wait until stock runs low or your ceiling's still silent while the neighbors party in 4D. Act now. Get yours. Transform your space, impress your guests, and finally hear what you've been missing. Bose Virtually Invisible 791-2, because mediocre sound is cancelled.